Hello, my name is Kevin Tai, and my presentation will cover technology within the military. This topic particularly interests me because I have been both an end user and I've worked for an aerospace company that has developed some of these technologies. A lot of military technology is masked with secrecy and are classified, but this presentation will cover the F-35 Lightning II, the newest aircraft developed for the military. I chose the F-35 because it has been a controversial topic within the government. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Now I'll discuss a little history of the F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II is considered a fifth-generation aircraft that has advanced technology never seen before in an aircraft. A fifth-generation aircraft utilizes all the features of a fourth-generation design, but also introduces levels of performance, stealth profiles, and advanced avionics with integrated all-digital flight systems. The aircrafts are sometimes referred to as the next generation. There are currently 1,500 suppliers throughout the world, with the main developer being Lockheed Martin. They have produced over 180 F-35s, and there are 12 global participants for the aircraft. There's been much debate about the F-35. It is currently $163 billion over budget and is 7 years behind schedule. This is the most costly military project to date, and there have been talks of scrapping the program altogether due to overruns and delays. The first piece of technology I will discuss is the stealth capabilities of the aircraft. This aircraft is built with radar-absorbing material, which will allow it to go undetected for longer periods of time. A radar works by sending out millions of signals. As these signals bounce off objects, they return, which allow the system to detect objects such as an aircraft. The material used to build the F-35s absorbs the signal, which allows them to go undetected. The next technology is the F-35's own radar. The aircraft has a radar built into the nose of the aircraft that is more advanced than any other past aircraft radar system, allowing the aircraft to scan a wider range quicker. The more advanced radar allows for the F-35 to detect an enemy aircraft at a much farther distance, which will allow them to engage an enemy aircraft sooner. The radar system also allows for real-time mapping of the terrain. The image to the left is a radar image that is similar to the image that a pilot may receive as they are flying. This allows for quicker identification of targets on the ground. The radar system can also be used to jam enemy radar. This is done by sending out frequency signals that interfere with the radar and sends back false signals and information. The third technology is the F-35 pilot helmet. The F-35 helmet-mounted display system provides pilots with situational awareness. All the information pilots need to complete their mission, which includes things such as airspeeds, headings, altitude, target information, and warnings, is projected on the helmet's visor, which is different from old models where the information is provided on the traditional heads-up display. This reduces the pilot's workload and increases responsiveness. The F-35 also has 6 infrared cameras mounted around the aircraft that display on the visor, allowing for real-time infrared imagery to be displayed. The helmet also provides pilots with night vision through the use of an integrated camera. This allows the pilots to have a 360-degree view of the aircraft at all times. The final piece of technology on the F-35 is its ability to communicate. The F-35 allows pilots to automatically share data with other pilots on the network using the most modern data links. These data links allow the F-35 to share data with other aircrafts as well as other airborne and surface-to-ground based platforms. These aircrafts have the ability to pass imagery, instructions, and allows them to triangulate enemy radar easily, which gives them the hands up in the fight. All these technological advances add up to make the F-35 Lightning II the most advanced aircraft in the world, giving all the participants an advantage in the fight. This concludes the presentation. I've provided a few follow-up questions. The first is, Do you think these aircrafts will eventually become phased out with unmanned drones? The second, do you think the development and the production of this technology is worth the billions of dollars in overrun? The third is, where do you see military technology in the future? Thank you.